Do you need a home button on your iPhone screen? You can add a virtual one right on your screen, and it's really useful. Whether your home button is broken or you just prefer having one, iPhone has a built-in feature that lets you bring it back on screen. This feature works on most iPhones, including newer models, as long as you're running a relatively recent iOS version. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Now tap on Touch. Inside here, tap on Assistive Touch. Turn on Assistive Touch and you'll immediately see a floating button appear on your screen. This button works like a home button. You can tap on it to open a menu with options like Home, Siri, Control Center, and more. If you tap Home, it just acts like the old home button and takes you back to your home screen. You can also drag the button anywhere on your screen so it doesn't get in the way. To customize it, go back into Assistive Touch settings and tap on Customize Top Level menu. Here you can change what actions appear when you tap the button. You can even assign custom actions for single tap, double tap, or long press, like opening Control Center or taking a screenshot. And that's it. You've now added a home button on your iPhone screen. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe for more tech tutorials like this.